Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. If you're running an aftermarket air filter and having a P0101, this is most likely your issue. Read codes. There we go. It says no fault codes detected because they corrected themselves, but if I go into freeze frame, I should be able to pull them up. Alright, so here we go. P0101 mass flow air sensor performance. Let's pull up the data. So 3000 RPM. Engine coolant temperature 91. Throttle position sensor 76%. I must have just been heavy on the fuel there. Engine load 34%. Map sensor 87. 4.10 volts. Closed loop. So I pulled my data. It's not a constant code, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the ignition in the Jeep. Perfect. We don't need that on. And then I'm going to come over here and we're going to pull the air filter off and have a look. Everything was fine until the new air filter was put on. So I'm going to start with that first. Like I said, intermittent problems are the hardest to solve because they're not constant. They just come and go. So you're not really sure where the issue is. Could there be a vacuum leak? A vacuum leak wouldn't come and go. Under certain conditions, it could be there, but only under certain conditions. Anything's possible. I might even smoke test this. Let's pull this out and have a look at it. Oh, there we go. Oh, I see it. I see it. Now you might be able to see it if I turn it at an angle. You can see the filter oils on the screen. So we are going to clean that first. So identify the problem. Now we're going to clean it, and this is the product that I've had in my garage for a few years. CRC Sensor Clean Mass Airflow Sensor Cleaner, especially designed for it. There's other brands and stuff, however, that's the kind that was available at the time when I bought it, and that's what we're going to use. So now, so you understand, we sprayed this and clean it. If you look on the back side, the little thing on the bottom right hand corner, that would be your air intake sensor, I believe. Then your MAF sensor there's three little resistors. So if you get oils and stuff on there, those are going to slightly change the resistance value that the sensor is going to read, and then that's where your issue is going to arise. So now that we sprayed it, we cleaned it, we're just letting it dry. Then I'm going to reinstall it and retest. After cleaning the MAF sensor, I noticed that my short-term fuel trims were reading lower. And it's like I always say, if you're working on something, then an issue arises afterwards, it's most likely related to what you were working on. Something's happened along the way. In this case, I have two air filters, and I always keep one on spare. So I just, instead of cleaning it, waiting it to dry, I just clean it, swap it out. And this one here, I must have put too much oil on it because the oil made its way onto the MAF sensor. started causing an intermittent issue, and I used my Intel 906 BT scanner to pull up the data, and was able to clean it using a cleaner and put on about 80 kilometers and all as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.